Welcome friends. In this video you will going to learn about how you can order your records on a specific table, okay, by using the SQL statements. So order of records means you can arrange your records either ascending order or descending order, okay, on the basis of specific column name, okay, just like specific column name, okay. So select star from table name, order by uh, order by this column, okay. So it will order the particular column either ascending or descending. You have to define that SQL statement, okay. So let's see how it is going to be work. See, select star from customer, order by column, that's a name, there is a age, there is a role, okay, any column, okay. In this way you can order your column, sorry, or order your records on your particular table. So let's see, all others are same thing, okay. You have to only this SQL statement is generally going to be written all the records and it will be fetching and display on your console. And you, if you by default it is the order by name and it is the ascending order. If you define the order by that specific name on DESC, then it is called a descending order. You have to define the descending order, okay, order by name and DESC. If you are not mentioning anything, ascending order will be work. If you mentioning after the column name DESC, that is called a descending order of that specific records which are going to be extracted from that table, okay. So that's all, there is no other things are going on. That is very simple order by, okay, how to arranging your records of a specific table. So let's start. Here I am creating a one file python underscore mysql underscore order by dot py. So here you have to write some SQL some comment here, MySQL order by SQL statement using Python script, okay, understood. So first of all, what you have to do, first of all you have to connect, import MySQL dot connector, MySQL dot connector, okay. Then mydb equal to MySQL dot connector, MySQL dot connector dot connect, okay. Host, there is called a local host, okay. There is called, other parameters are not required. The important parameters you are going to write, username equal to, you have to give in here as a, what your username is already mentioned here, root, and there is a password, single quote. You have to not define your password. If you are not given any password to access this specific database, don't add it. Then database, then you have to write Python, okay, completed. Now what you have to do, so here you have to create the cursor object, okay. My cursor equal to mydb dot cursor, okay, mydb dot cursor, db dot cursor. After that you have to write SQL statement inside the execute function of the my cursor object, my cursor dot execute. Inside that you have to write select star from table name, that's a student, where select star from student, select star from student, order by name. Okay, then that's it. You have to write here my cursor. Okay, you have to here order the my cursor execute. Yes, my cursor dot execute. Okay, SQL. Okay, I already written inside that execute function, so no need to write here. So you have to write a for loop for x in my cursor, then colon print x. Okay, so it will return you from the ascending order of your order by name. So here the name, all the name whatever is written here, it's coming out in a ascending order, because I already told about you how could you define ascending and descending. If it is by default order by, that is called a ascending order. If you have defined the what type of order it is going to be written, then it will define as a DESC, that's a descending order. So if you go for the descending DESC, you have to add it here last, then it will return you on the descending order. Okay, on the descending order. Okay, it will show you on the descending order. So on the previous there is a S, like in this way I will split it. So here I will here I am going to another way, you have to going to write another time, you are going to write it. So I remove it this and run it. Okay, so here it is going to be written right. See, this is all the returns in ascending order. Okay, so first of all it returns the name, order by name. Name means MRRSS. So this is the ascending order. If you define here DESC, okay, so it returns you descending order. Okay, it reverses that descending order, the S wala S coming to the top, then with in between R, then M. So this is the way you have to order your SQL order your records through the SQL statements while you fetching from the table. Okay, very important. Don't forget about it. Order by ascend, order by column name, and that particular column will be extract. Sorry, that particular column will show you. That particular column will show you in the form of either ascending form or descending form. The ascending form generally it shows you all the records, and the descending form also shows you all the records. It depends upon your SQL statement. Here I am written a star. If I am changes it to the name or role or address, then what happened? Delete it first and see. It returns the specific name order by name in descending order, and returns role and addresses. Okay, role and addresses I will see here, and not watching about other columns in this particular SQL statement. Okay, it's very important. You have to remember this order by. Okay, that's all. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like this video, share with your friends, and if it will helpful for you, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you.